Hi guys, it's me again, today about storytelling. Better be nice, not here to waste your time, so let's get right into it. Every story needs a character who experiences some change in his life throughout the story. Seems like this gonna be my unhappy me today. And what I want to do is making a video for you. What we need is a script and the stuff filmed on an SD card. But first things first, let's start with the script. Give me 3 seconds. Okay. 1 more minute, please. Gosh. Seems this is gonna be harder than expected. Guess we gotta just go. So what we have so far is a character and a problem which gets so out of reach that we need to search for a solution. Okay. Getting closer here. Trying and finally finding the hook. Of course, it's not gonna be that easy. It never is. We need to conquer, defeat what holds us back and take it. As soon as we have it, we have to get back to where everything started and return. And we made it. We are back and ready for the best part, editing. So never forget, a character needs something, get it going, searches, finds it, takes it and returns. Now I am happy again and you witnessed the character's change. Until the next, better be nice.